Hello today, and thank you for stopping by Dad's Cook 2. Today we're going to be making Eggs Benedict. And I'm going to assume that some of you already know how to do a couple of these things, so I'm going to make it a three-part video. The first one is going to be how to poach an egg. The second one is how to make the Hollandaise sauce. The third one, which is the one I got right now, is going to be showing putting all three of these together with your Canadian bacon and making the actual sandwich. So without any further ado, let's get to it. Alright, now we go to the next part, and we're going to finish this up and start putting it all together. Again, we're going to have to get some heat on. Get your pan hot. And I'm going to use a little bit of olive oil here just to put in the pan. And we're going to have our English muffins. These were slightly toasted. And on those, we're getting ready to put our Canadian bacon. Now we're going to add our Canadian bacon. Or some of us like to call it ham. Hear that sizzle going on there, huh? Let that cook up. It's a good thing you all can't smell this stuff. I tell you what. I like to cook these up for a little bit of a browning on them. There we go. We're getting a slight little brown on that. Yeah. Give this side here just another minute or two. We have our muffins toasted. Canadian bacon. Our poached egg. And then we'll put some yummy sauce on there. Messy but good.